Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix app not working. So now let's get started without any further ado. First of all, you have to make sure if you are around a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you can turn on cellular data and then turn off Wi-Fi. Or in case if your cellular data is not working, turn it off and turn on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a stable connection. Now, in another step, just launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if it's an iOS device or an Android device. I'm just going to launch App Store here. Now, once you're here, just tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner. Now, simply go to the search bar and search for Netflix. Now, tap open the application that is on top. Now, once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. Now, let me show you the third step. Open settings on your device. Now, scroll down and simply tap on general. Now again, tap on the option of iPhone storage. Now, once you are here, simply scroll down below and tap open on Netflix. Now, once you are here, tap on offload app. Now, tap on Offload app again. By doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now, tap on Reinstall app again. Now, wait until the application has been reinstalled. Now, one more thing you have to note down is that if your Netflix membership is still valid, if it's expired, your application would not be working. So make sure of that. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.